Come on, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
Get over here!
Do you know the way?
Please, Pete, I need this! My mom is kind of homeless.